Hi, I'm Matt from ColorSpec, where achieving professional quality results at home is as easy as 1, 2, 3. That's prepare, paint, finish. In this video, we're covering step 2, paint. This includes spraying on the colour, along with loads of hints and tips for getting the absolute best finish possible with that auto repair or DIY project. You should be starting with a properly prepared surface, one that has been primed, then lightly sanded with 600 grit dry sandpaper or 800 grit wet to remove all the surface imperfections. If not properly prepared, go back and watch our step 1 prepare video to see what's involved. With the primer sanded, prepare the surrounding paint to around 10 to 20 centimetres past the repair with Maguire's compound, as this will assist with adhesion. Always wear protective clothing along with safety glasses, gloves and a respirator. If not already, mask off the surrounding area to protect it from overspray. Clean the surface with wax and grease remover. Be sure to clean well past the repair area. ColorSpec has precise mixing formulas for more than 100,000 automotive factory colours. Every car's original colour is identified by a unique alphanumeric paint code, which is typically found on the build plate affixed to the firewall or in the door jamb. Take this code into any Supercheap Auto outlet and one of their paint technicians will mix your car's colour while you wait. Alternatively, choose one of the 565 colours from our Signature series. Check them out in store at Supercheap Auto. ColorSpec employs an advanced colour matching technology, enabling a true colour match to your car's existing paint. Nonetheless, it's imperative you test spray in an inconspicuous area, or use the ColorSpec Colour Check card to ensure correct colour prior to application. Colour Check cards are supplied free with every mix can of base coat. Before spraying, shake can vigorously for 3 to 5 minutes after ball is heard rattling, and regularly shake during use. Failure to follow this important step can result in a clogged nozzle and colour not mixing properly. Set spray pattern to vertical or horizontal by turning the adjustable spray nozzle. Test spray pattern. Your first coat should be very light, as you want to gradually layer up the base coat with a number of individual coats. Attempting full coverage in one heavy coat not only affects adhesion, there's also the risk of creating runs and sags. Holding the can upright, spray with smooth, even, overlapping strokes, about 20 to 25 centimetres from surface, and always at 90 degrees. With a wide, even spray pattern and high volume of the specially developed nozzle, consistent coverage and a smooth finish is easy to achieve straight out of the can. Also, the generous sized trigger button makes tackling those larger areas easier on your spraying finger. Give each coat a 50% overlap to eliminate streaking and mottling. It typically requires 3 to 5 coats with around 5 to 10 minutes drying time between each coat. Depending on film thickness, temperature and spray technique, additional coats may be required for full coverage. After each use, invert the can and spray briefly to clear the nozzle, otherwise it may clog. For best results, you want to be spraying in temperatures between 15 and 30 degrees Celsius. Painting in cold, damp or high humidity conditions may cause blooming, resulting in dulling of the finish. Being a proper automotive clear over base paint system, ColorSpec base coat colour dries to a low sheen. To give it gloss, along with a more accurate colour match, plus long lasting durability, you need to apply ColorSpec Clear Coat, which we'll run through in our Step 3 finish video, so be sure to watch our other videos before proceeding. Don't rush, take your time, and carefully follow ColorSpec's easy 3-step process: prepare, paint, finish. And there's no reason you can't achieve a full-on professional result. That's because ColorSpec is a professional-grade automotive refinish paint system, capable of delivering a factory-like finish that will maintain its good looks for years to come. Be sure to watch our other helpful how-to videos covering prepare and finish before proceeding. It's very important you only use ColorSpec primers, base coat colours and clear coats, as mixing brands voids the warranty, as it often compromises adhesion and longevity. Before leaving the store, be sure to grab everything needed to complete the job. There's a handy shopping list in the back of the ColorSpec brochure. ColorSpec is available exclusively at Supercheap Auto. If you have any issues, you can call the ColorSpec tech line, or there's live chat on the website during business hours.